Removing the door module on the Megaspace. It's a large door, but the removal process is similar to that of cars or vans. Important: you will need an assistant for later steps. Lower the side window to approximately 20 centimeters from the bottom to facilitate removal. This will make accessing the screws easier. Unclip the interior lamp from the lower edge of the door module. Remove it and disconnect the plug. Use a plastic wedge to detach the door panel lining. The screws for the door module are now easily accessible. Note: do not yet remove the upper two screws of the door module. Loosen them only. Completely remove the 3 mounting screws in the lower part of the door module. Note: the door module is now supported by the 2 upper screws alone. If these screws come out, the door module could become wedged in the door and suffer damage. With the door module loosened, it is now easy to remove the door frame trim by pushing it downward and taking it off. Push the trim downward and remove it. Remove the theft protection from the screw holding the door handle. Make sure to lock the door lock to avoid damaging the paint around it. Push the door module sideways. Push the door handle toward the front and remove it from the door wing. Remove the pull rods from the door handle. Pull the wired connection to the lock switch. With the window lowered, it is now easy to remove the interior door module screw. Back in the cabin, remove the lower footwell trim and take out all the screws. Remove the cover to access the door module plug. Disconnect the 12-pin plug and thread it through the pillar to the outside. Important: you will need an assistant for the following steps. For final disassembly, first remove the left door module screw and then the right one. Thread the wiring through the door frame. Don't forget to disconnect the mirror heater connector. Completely remove the door module. Place the highly sensitive door module on a padded surface.